In this video, I will show you how to make mockups in Canva. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on Canva. Now, what you want to do first is go ahead and add your logo or your design that you want to use for mockups. So in this example, I've just got a logo. And what you're going to want to do is come to the left hand side and you want to click onto apps down here. From here, if you come up to the search box at the top, what you want to do is go ahead and type mockups into the search box and then press enter. As you can see, there is an app for mockups here. So what you want to do is click onto this, and that's going to go ahead and add this to your toolbar, as you can see down here in the bottom left hand corner. From here, what you can do is go ahead and start creating your mockups. So you can see there's a ton of different things, for example, things like mugs and different clothing like hoodies, for example. So what I'm going to do is use this hoodie as an example. So what you're going to want to do is click onto this to add it to your image. And then what I'm going to do is just resize this to make this a bit bigger, and I'm just going to move this behind my logo. So you want to click onto position and then click on to back. Now what we can do is click onto our logo inside the image, and what we're going to do is just hover this around, and you're going to see it's going to go transparent. Now when it goes transparent, if you let go of the left mouse button, what it's going to do is add this to this hoodie design. And as you can see, we've now gone ahead and added our logo as a mockup to this design. So you can do this for any of the mockups available. For example, if I wanted to add this to a mug, then I'm just going to go ahead and click to add this picture of a cup in. And again, what you would do is just resize your cup and then go to position. Make sure this is behind the image that you want to add to the mockup. Then go ahead and select your image and just drag it around until it goes transparent. Let go of the left mouse button, and this is going to go ahead and put your image onto the cup. So that is how to go ahead and create mockups in Canva. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.